Want to dive into immersive learning? With AR2VR, all you need is a tablet to create VR anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a teacher, student, HR, tour guide, or any other professional. No coding or complicated setups required. AR2VR is already partnered with multiple countries, bringing innovative VR solutions that make learning accessible to everyone. With our AI-powered 360 scene generation and user-friendly VR editor, you can create VR lessons for students to explore new knowledge, enhance corporate training with immersive learning environments, design exciting VR tours that bring culture and attractions to life, share your VR creations with just one click using QR codes or links, and let people around the world enter your VR space. Start your VR learning journey with AR2VR today.